Dive into the cross-reference feature that lets you link to other sections of the document. For instance, you can use a cross-reference to link to the graphic that shows up elsewhere in the document. In this case, I have the text here and I've separated it. To create a cross-reference, I first need to mark an index.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
For instance, if I mark industrial here and click on it, I want it to take me to the corresponding text below. All right, to create a cross-reference, I need to mark an index. So, I'll insert an index here. I'm going to put industrial. I'm going to add, OK, ready. Now I'm going to mark the cross-reference. I want it to refer to this document. So I can simply come here, select the type of reference as an index, and insert it. Great! Now I can select the type of reference and check if there are any other options available. No changes needed. The current translation is already contextual and colloquial modern. Okay, it's already marked. Now if I come up here, industrial or here, it already does it. I clicked and returned here. Just so you know, I clicked here and now I'm back. Let's do it again. Here, distribution, insert, mark. Now I'm going to add. So, distribution, add. I added it here, and I'm going to come to this one. I'll add it at the end under reference, and now it's ready under distribution. When you use the cross-reference resource, it automatically creates a link to other parts of the document. So when you click on it, it takes you to the relevant section and highlights the selected text.